Two's complement. Welcome to quick revision. We're still on a data representation. Today we're going to look at two's complement. Okay, so two's complement is a method used to represent negative numbers in binary. So you can say definition, method used to represent negative numbers. It allows computers to perform subtraction using addition, simplifying calculations in digital circuits. How to find two's complement. So let's look at the steps. Step number one, to find two complements, start with a positive binary number. For instance, okay, we can have positive 5 in 8-bit register. In 8-bit register, it will be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And then step number 2, we have to invert all bits. Invert all bits. Okay, so what do you mean by this? We are going to change, every time we see a 0, we convert it to a 1, and a 1 will be converted to a 0. That's what it means. So this is called one's complement. Okay, so this one is called the one's complement. When we do this, then in our case, this binary number here that we have here will become this binary number. When we convert all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros, we're going to end up with the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. That will be our new value. Then in step number 3, we are going to add 1 to the results, to that result, to get two's complement. So add 1 to this result here to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So follow the rules of addition. When we do that, we are going to end up with this number called 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this number is now, it represents -5 in 8-bit. Okay, so this one represents -5 in 8-bit register. And that's how we find the two's complement.